Parallel parking using pylons. Within 2 feet of the pylon, stop when the back bumper of the car is in line with that pylon. That's it. Place the gear selector to reverse. Turn the steering wheel to the right so it looks okay. So the number 9, the 12 is where the 9 is, meaning a 3/4 revolution to the right. Then back up until the front is in line with the pylon. Get all the turns in to the left, then back into the parking space until it is parallel. Place the gear selector to drive, straighten the wheel, move forward, and that's it. Now we're leaving. So the examiner says let's go. Reverse, back up while looking over your right shoulder so you don't hit the pylon. Place the gear selector to drive, 1 revolution to the left, signal, check, and leave. Okay, that's it.